It doesn't look like your typical survival kit, because nothing about this kit is typical. You're looking at a micro everyday carry survival kit revolution. The all-new Tiny Survival Card from Ultimate Survival Tips. This life-saving credit card-sized wilderness survival toolkit is the world's smallest, toughest, and most complete last-ditch collection of micro gear with a knife ever developed. Weighing in at less than an ounce, the Tiny Survival Card is designed for everyday carry and fits in a wallet, pocket, purse, glove box, or survival kit. The Tiny Survival Card is packed with 17 hard-to-improvise micro tools, including one multifunctional mini knife and spear point, one micro finger drill, 3 sewing needles, 2 small fishing hooks, 2 medium fishing hooks, 2 double fishing hooks, 1 mini button fishing lure, 2 mini gig harpoons, 1 dual edge fine and medium saw, 1 set of mini tweezers, and in a pinch, use the entire card as an emergency signaling device. The patent-pending Tiny Survival Card is proudly made in the USA and is crafted from 0.025-inch thick hardened 302 stainless steel. Our innovative etched triangular tab design allows each tool to snap off clean and easy, without damage. The Tiny Survival Card travels on our exclusive magnetic base, allowing you to pre-sharpen the knife and place it back on the base for storage. Once removed, tools can be kept together by placing them back on the magnetic base. The Tiny Survival Card is a perfect backup everyday carry survival toolkit for anyone who likes to hike, camp, hunt, fish, backpack, or just be prepared. Because you never know. Step up to the smallest, lightest, most comprehensive wallet carry emergency survival kit with a knife ever designed. This is the Tiny Survival Card.
Hey guys, Christian here with Uncharted. We get a lot of questions about what makes the 72 different from everything else on the market. Here's a couple-minute breakdown on the 72. First of all, think from the outside in, use case scenarios. People usually keep survival kits in trunks, in basements, in closets, places that are dark, wet, there might be mice. And then when they go to use them, the batteries are corroded, the food's been eaten, half the stuff is no good. Not a problem with the 72. We built this thing inside a 600D tarpaulin dual-coated backpack. It's got a roll top. That makes it airtight. This thing is so waterproof, I've jumped off of cliffs into rivers and it's floated me home. And basically all your stuff's gonna be ready to go when you need it, which is going to be an emergency situation, and there's no time to repack when that happens. One of the things people were failing to pay attention to was instruction and organization. It's great to have the right tools, but if you don't know how to use them and you can't get to them quickly, you may as well not even have them. That's why with the 72, we designed the insert. Not only is everything organized and color-coded, we've also got these great instructions to get you to the answers as fast as possible. See, in an emergency situation, adrenaline spikes and you can make some crazy decisions in the heat of the moment. But when seconds count and when you are up against the wall, having the reassurance of instructions, organization, and just knowing what to do is imperative to survival. So that's why with the insert, we designed these screen-printed instructions. You're never gonna lose these. They're never gonna get wet so you can't read the words. They're always here, they're always accessible, and they're color coordinated with the pockets inside to get you to the right information and the right tools really quickly. Once inside, you'll find over 35 high-quality tools curated by our expert team to get you through virtually anything. This is something nobody else has, and I think it's a huge game changer when the seconds count and your back's against the wall.
And this is my Firestarter tool, and it's small, it's compact, and it will give you years of use. And starting fires in the wild can be hard if you haven't got the right kit. And all this is, snap locks open, watertight, and then it's got a striker, and then the fire steel. And then that closes together, and then in the cap, snap lock, and inside it's watertight, and it just contains cotton balls that is really good tinder for starting fire. And then on the lanyard again is a whistle. Super useful tool, trust me.
The SOL two-person Emergency Bivy is a larger version of our award-winning Emergency Bivy. This full protection shelter weighs just 4.9 ounces and sized at 84 inches by 60 inches. It comfortably fits 2 people or 1 larger person. The two-person Emergency Bivy has a seam-sealed edge to keep wind, rain, and snow out while reflecting 90% of body heat to keep the warmth in, allowing you and your companion to survive the unexpected night out. The durable heat sheets material is made from a polyethylene that is coated on the inside with a vapor deposit aluminum. If you do puncture the bivy, the heat sheets material won't run and render the bag useless. The hole can easily be repaired with duct tape. The bivy also comes with a large stuff sack, so you can easily put the bivy back into the sack for future use. When heading into the backcountry, never leave without the protection of one of our emergency bivvies.